important when people embark on the building process that they understand what is going to be going on during that process. Many people don't know and build very few times in their lifetime. So a great way to arm yourself is to look at our 4 steps of the building process. Step 1, pre-construction requirements. You need to get everything in place, approved in plan, and also even start researching finishes before you actually start on your building process. When you embark on the building process, you need to do a lot of research in relation to your property, the site conditions. Go to council, talk to them about your site and what's possible. It's no point buying a property if the site is set up inefficiently for your family, if it's not in a good location. Also look at your sales contract. It'll tell you a lot about your property and what you can and can't do. Part 2, it's very important when you embark on the building process that you understand how a house is constructed. You won't find this kind of information in many places on the internet. This has come from my experience as an architecture practice. What you need to do is understand construction. You need to understand footings. You need to understand floor and wall construction, roof construction, services. You need to know all about those things in general so that when you're dealing with the trades, they know that you have a general understanding. It's going to make the process a lot easier and a lot more efficient. Part 3, it's very important at the early stages that you make your personal choices on items, whether it's paint colour or building cladding. You make those choices really strong at the beginning of the project so that no matter who you work with, whether it's the architect or the builder, they know your vision of what you want to have in your home. So part 3, picking the fixing and finishes is very important. You need to know things like what kind of screens you're going to have on your windows, what kind of taps you're going to have, and at what stages you need to have those ready for the construction process. Part 4, understanding services. It's really important that you understand the services including plumbing, carpentry, electrics, just the basics, so that when you see those trades working, you can think to yourself, does that look right or does that not? Now, you don't have to know a lot, but just a little bit will give you a really good grounding to ask those questions and to feel assured that you've got a good tradesperson on board. The building process is a lengthy process and you need to be well armed about what you're going to be experiencing during that time. Our information gives you a broad outline of what you'll expect to experience during the process, whether it's cutting in footings into the ground, whether it's electrics, whether it's the pre-construction requirements of DAs and insurances. So go on and have a look at our information and you'll be well armed for the process ahead.